Okay,
Oh,
this is
a good
Candy
spot?
getting her butt scratched by Dee.
Oh,
And she likes it
that's a
very
good spot.
much.
Oh, yes.
She's a sweet girl.
I'll just stay here all day and let you do this. Oh,
Oh, do you like that little Candy?
oh.
She's so sweet. She was named Candy because she is so sweet.
Yeah.
She's well, she actually weighed herself. She got on the scale on her own.
I know,
She
I
weighs
know
43
too.
pounds. She's the perfect
girl.
medium-sized dog.
I know, I see. Yes,
She's
I
very
see.
friendly.
I see. Very good girl.
She's friendly, but she can also be very calm.
You sit.
She knows how
Can
to
you sit for me? No, down. Can you sit?
She got all worked up from that butt scratch.
Sit down. Good
Yeah, it's a
girl.
good girl.
Good girl.
Somebody must have owned her before. she was rolling over like, what about, I know the rollover thing too.
I know the belly roll.
Here! Come on, let's get a treat. Come on, Candy. Come here, get some candy.
Sit down for
Such
me.
a sweetheart.
Girl.
Yeah,
Oh,
she's
and
very
she
well
takes it
behaved.
so nice.
Very well behaved. Yeah, she took that right out of your hand very gently. And she walks well on a leash. I just took her for a walk. She's just a really good all-around family dog. She seems like she'd be great with just about anybody.
She's a pretty girl.
We're saying that she's a boxer mix. We're not really sure with what she's mixed with.
Candy.
She's
Candy.
Heinz 57, huh? Maybe boxer, shepherd, terrier, but oh, look at that tail.
Another one. See, I'm not interested in the treats so much as I want the loves.
Yeah, she is. She's more of a
I want the
snuggler.
loves.
Aww. How did you end up here? You sweet little baby girl. Well, as you can see, she would love to be back into a home again. She could get all kinds of love all the time. Yeah, she's really a good girl.
Can I see your teeth first?
Yeah, I don't know about how old she is.
Sit down. Sit.
Can we see about maybe
Sit.
how old you are?
Sit. Can I see your choppers? Let me
Like,
see your
oh, I don't
choppers.
like that.
Oh, come here. Sit down. Oh, rub the bellies. Let me see your lips. Oh, she's clean. She's
Ooh,
probably
she's
only a couple
pretty
years
young.
old. Yeah.
So maybe 2, 3 years old.
Maybe two. Maybe
Two.
3 at the outside.
Okay.
Probably more like 2.
So she's about 2 years old, so she's still pretty young.
Because your choppers are nice and clean.
Yeah. Okay, well anyway, you get the idea of our little Candy. She's at the Marcel's office if you want to come by and meet her. I know. She goes, give me some more of those edges. Give me some more. You're such a good girl. Yes. Oh, she's got tan color, and she's got white chest and like 2 white feet, one in the front, one in the back. She's very cute. She's very cute. She is. She's very cute. She likes to have her belly rubbed too. She loves it. She loves it. She loves it. She loves it. 'Cause I just want to stay out here. I don't want to have to go back in my cage. She's kind of warm. We just took a nice walk. We took a nice long walk. Okay, well this is our sweet little Candy girl. Come here. Come here. Oh, hi, honey bunches of